Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little review on some bonnets that I purchased from this website right here. So they sell a lot of satin line bonnets, and I just decided, you know what, they were so pretty, so I had to purchase a couple for myself. So they come in these little silver bags right here. I still have one that's in the bag. So the first one that I'm going to be showing y'all is this little one right here. I purchased all of mine in a large, and I purchased one extra large. So they come with looking like in all types of patterns and stuff like that. And this one has a pink satin on the inside. And then turn it back around, and this is what we have. And it is very comfortable on my head. You know, it's not too tight, it's just right for me, and I can sleep in it and still be comfortable throughout the night. So yeah. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to be showing you guys is this little black and red one right here. Inside of here is black satin, and I absolutely love this. Like, yes, I do. Can't get enough of it. And once again, this was purchased in a large as well. So yeah, yes, I really like this one. Okay, so moving right along, I am going to be showing you the final one that I purchased from their company. And I purchased this one because I just wanted something that was bright. So this is their yellow one, and it comes with like some bling on it. It got some like the little diamonds and stuff like that. You see that? Yes, this is life right now. So it comes with the little bling all the way around it. Yeah, that was creative. And inside of this bonnet, it is yellow, yellow satin. The yellow. And this is their extra large. This bonnet is especially perfect if you got like some really big jumbo braids, or just braids in general. You got big hair and you just need for like a bonnet that's gonna cover it and just still be pretty on you. So this one is, yes, lots and lots of room right there. So yeah, really nice bonnets. If you're planning to purchase it, this one was like a little bit more than the other ones, I guess because it came with the bling on it, and it is an extra large. So you get the bigger size, and the bling on it costed like $40, and then the other ones were more like $30 and everything. I will make sure that I leave the link below in the description box and everything, and let me know if you guys decide that you want to purchase this, or if you already have some, send me some pictures of what you have, because you never know, I might just want to purchase something else. So I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.